Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. We're going to teach you how to make an activity wheel today. We can use that to create our own workouts, or we can apply it to one of the earlier videos that we made about the chalk games where we can use it in our board game. So let's go ahead and show you how to make it. For our activity wheel, we're going to start with a paper plate. You'll also need any type of push pin and a paper clip and any type of pen or pencil or a marker. Either one is fine. So to get started, we're going to start by putting our paper plate upside down, and we're going to go ahead and divide our paper plate into different sections like we would cut a pizza. So I'm going to go ahead and make a dividing line down the center here. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to actually use my marker instead so it's easier for you to see on the video. So I'm going to trace over it and I'm using my marker instead. And we're just going to keep going and make a few sections, just like a pizza. So far we have 4. We're going to go a few more times and make it 8 total pieces, or 8 slices. There we go, not too bad. And what we're going to do from here is we're going to start marking what the activities are. We can include things that you've done before. We can include push-ups, curl-ups, jumping jacks, lunges, squats, up-downs, side lunges, and chair dips. Remember, you can change it however you'd like, but this is just my version. Now we're going to take our push pin, this thing here, and we're going to go ahead and put it right in the middle. But we're going to place our paper clip down first. That way it's going to be secure. Don't push the push pin all the way down. We want the paper clip to be able to move. So all we have to do now is flick our paper clip and it looks like it points at side lunges. So that would be my activity. Then I could spin again. Now it's on squats. So I would do squats. How many? Well, we can actually use this in 2 ways. I'm gonna go and move these out of the way. And I'm gonna make a line going around like this. So I'm gonna use my activity wheel in another way. So now I'm gonna put in numbers. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, let's rotate it, make it a little easier. 3, 4, then we'll start jumping it up a little bit. 5, 7, 10, and 12. So I'm gonna go and place my paper clip back where it was with my push pin and just make sure it's right there in the center. I like to hold the plate still just to make sure I don't flick the whole plate around. Now I can do it 2 times. I can go once to see what the activity is, which is lunges, and then I can go a second time to see how many. So I could do, it landed on lunges, and now I'm gonna do 5 of them. Or you can do it the other way around. I will do 7 curl-ups. And that's how it works. We can use this in place of the paper die or dice that we made previously for the chalk games video, and it can take place of that, or you can just use this on its own to create your own workout routine. You can challenge yourself to do maybe 5 to 10 different activities for the day and say, okay, I'm gonna do 5 spins, or I'm gonna do 10 spins, and then I'm gonna complete that workout, and then I'm good for the day. So let's say for my first workout, I'm gonna go ahead and start with squats, and I'm gonna do 7 of them. Then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to lunges, and I'm gonna do 2 lunges. And you keep going to challenge yourself. And you can maybe take it, go back and forth with someone in the home with you to try it out, or apply it to the board game that we created in our earlier video. So here's a close-up of our activity wheel. I have all of my exercises on the outside with the numbers on the inside. So every time I spin, I would maybe spin first to see what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do up downs, and then I spin a second time and it would maybe land on 3. So I would do 3 up downs. You're not just gonna push it along, you're gonna flick it along, make it spin, and just try that out with yourself or with someone else in the home and challenge them to a fun workout with each other. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed making your activity wheel. Didn't take a whole lot of work. You can now use it to get to work and doing some of your own workouts. Don't forget you can apply it to the board game that we created in our chalk video. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you go back, look at the chalk games video to see how we can use either a die or dice to do something like this, or make an activity wheel instead, and you can use either one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.